Yo, I know you guys seen the thumbnail and the title, man. We got something real early and real special for you guys. And a lot of people are saying that these are better than the Air Jordan 1 Mochas. So you guys probably already know we're showing y'all. Hope y'all don't skip today's video. Make sure you guys smack that like button right now. The goal for this video is 500 likes. And we get this up to 500 likes, and be showing you guys another early look of some stuff that we got a couple months early. We gotta get this up to 500 likes. I gotta go crazy down below in the comment section, and then we're gonna be unveiling another pair of early legit sneakers, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into yet another banger we got for you guys today, man. Right now, like I said, if you're new, sub up right now to the channel, and if you've been here for a while, you need to hit that notification bell, man. Every time we drop a video, come through, say what's up to your boy, drop some fire emojis down below, and come input some of your thoughts and opinions on what we're talking about, you know what I'm saying, in these videos. Yesterday we talked about the reimagined line that Nike is doing with the Royal Ones, and we talked about the bread reimagined. So we got a lot of different topics that we touch up on in these videos, so make sure you guys come through, drop y'all thoughts and opinions. You guys know I respond to every single comment. All right, you guys ready? Y'all ready? You sure you're ready, man? Y'all sure y'all ready for this heat? All right, let me stop playing, man. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and bam, man. Check these beauties out. We have the Air Jordan 1 Palomino. I know I'm probably butchering his name like crazy. I know y'all gonna go crazy down in the comment section if I am. But here we have them, man. A shoe that a lot of people are saying are better than the Air Jordan 1 Mochas. And I must say, like, this might be a little bit better than the Mocha. It all goes to come down to one deciding factor. That's gonna be how limited they are, how easy they are to cop, and what that resale value is talking about. And we got these joints right here, supposed to release September the 2nd, and we got them all the way in May. And shouts out to the homie Sneaker Fiends. So if you guys know who Sneaker Fiends is, man, he's been plugging the channel with a lot of these early kicks. And like I said, today we got the Palomino Air Jordan 1s, look a lot like the Mochas. Make sure you guys go tap into the homie Sneaker Fiends, man. I'm gonna tag him down below. He has a Discord group that give you guys early looks and early opportunities to grab sneakers like this right here before everybody else. Of course, he has like some restock monitors, shock drop monitors, and all that good stuff. So make sure you guys go tap into the Discord. I'm gonna link it down below, and go follow the homie Sneaker Fans on IG right now. Go tell them your boy the Vintage sent you, and tell them we appreciate these early looks over the Air Jordan 1 Palomino. So just go ahead and do a quick little 360 over these guys one more time. I'm really digging this colorway like so much. And I think it's probably because I do not have the Mochas, but as you guys can see, man, you got that kind of like golden harvest color on the Nike Air on the tongue, and it just matches so well with that mocha brown they threw on these joints right here. I'm not even gonna lie, this might bring back the Jordan 1s. You know, guys, the Air Jordan 1s haven't been as sought after as it were back in like 2017, 2018 and stuff like that. But this colorway right here might remind a lot of you guys of the Mocha 1 release. If you guys do not remember, that was probably the prelude to the Lost and Found release. You know how it was terrible on the Nike Sneakers app. It was terrible just like the Lost and Founds when we did get that Mocha release. So that's why I said it might all fall down to one deciding factor. Are they gonna, you know, mess this release up? Or are they gonna make it, you know, smoothless, seamless, and get the consumers what they want? And it's definitely gonna be these Air Jordan 1 Palominos. And I think that these right here, man, I'm gonna throw it out there, bro. I'm gonna throw it out there right now. Y'all can go ahead and dag me down below in the comment section. This has to be the best Air Jordan 1 of 2023. And y'all probably gonna be like, oh, he capping this because he got an early pair. No, I am so serious. When you just think back to the Mocha release, I keep bringing up the Mochas, I'm sorry. That was the Air Jordan 1 of the year when those dropped a couple of years ago. And now we got something like this that's a little bit similar, and it's still fire. I think these are definitely gonna overshadow any other Air Jordan 1 that we do get this year. So the homie Sneaker Fiends got these super early. The box does have, like, you know, that golden yellow that you see on the tongue. We're gonna have the box here very shortly. He sells sneakers way early before the release. And if you got that Nike plug, you guys probably understand why I have no box right now. But when he does get boxes and stuff like that, I'm getting my size 9. I'm throwing these things straight on feet. And I know I'm all over the place. I'm just super excited to have these beauties in hand right now. Checking out the outsoles, got that nice mocha brown, and this just screams like, you know, Travis Scott all over it, Mocha 1 all over it. And I'm gonna say it again, Jordan 1 of the year written all over it, man. But you guys let me know what you think about it down below in the comment section. I'm here for you guys. I want to see what you guys thinking, what y'all feel about these early Air Jordan 1s that we do have today. One thing I did want to touch up on that might kind of knock these Air Jordan 1s is the leather quality. So it's kind of really flat around this toe box right here, as you guys can see. You don't get that nice tumbled look. Kind of get just like that little nice flat leather like we seen on, you know, just some generic Air Jordan 1 stealths, or even the lucky green Air Jordan 1s we just got a couple of weeks ago, man. So nothing too crazy on the leather, but I did want to say that the suede, like, hold on, I gotta put them things down. Look at the suede on the back of these joints. The suede is actually pretty nice on these guys right here, I ain't gonna cap. And then even leading to the toe box, you guys see that nice stroke of suede that they did throw on the toe box, these Air Jordan 1s. And then checking out the midsole, man, this is not like a regular white midsole. This is that aged look going all the way around, that eggshell off-white all around the midsole. Really digging it. I just think everything that they threw on the sneaker just made them worthy to be, you know what I'm saying, that best Jordan 1 of the year. But like I said, I don't want to gas it all the way up. I want you guys to let me know your thoughts and opinions over these beauties right here. When you get somebody like me that just loves Air Jordan 1s, of course it's gonna sound like I'm gassed up a little bit, but I know there's a couple people down below in the comment sections or somebody that's watching this video that really rock out with these joints as well, man. And then I have one last question to ask you guys, man. Do you think that these are better than the Mocha Air Jordan 1s? I know it's a bold question, a bold statement, but I think these right here is knocking on the door to be better than the Mochas. And like I said, the best Air Jordan 1 of the year. It's releasing September the 2nd. We will be getting this crazy Air Jordan 1 to release. Like I said, I'm super happy that I was able to bring you guys these joints early. Shouts out to the homie Sneaker Fiends. Like I said, I'm gonna tag his Discord and his IG down below so you guys go shop with them. Get these legit early pairs, 100% OG all, no fugazi over here. I can go shop with the bro. So I appreciate everybody for tapping into today's video. Make sure you guys sub up right now, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any other content that we drop like this. Early looks, restock information, shop drop information, all that good stuff will be dropping on the channel. So like I said, if you're interested in that, sub up and hit that notification bell ASAP. And smack that like button, bro. We gotta get this up to 500 likes. Early look, again, shouts out to the homie Sneaker Fiends. I can't wait to read you guys' comments. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.